Are you finding it hard to determine if you are a Sigma male or just an average Joe? Maybe you think you are doing the best you can to be a part of the Sigma male crowd, but can't quite seem to get into the club and need some help to get there. Now, the Sigma male is considered to be the best type of man that you can have in your life for many different reasons. They display a range of different skills that the average male struggles to accomplish or complete. Some are born with the natural ability to excel in anything they try, and some men kind of struggle to hit the mediocre targets. These natural-born leaders are considered Sigma males, and if you want to be part of this group of men, then you need to master a number of skills to improve your abilities in all areas of your life. So grab your pens and your paper and listen to these skills, and let's see if you have what it takes to be a Sigma male. Like and subscribe. First of all, be humble. A Sigma man knows that he is good at things that he puts his mind to. The proof is in the results and successes he has had over time. Now, he doesn't need to boast about it or buy flashy, materialistic things to impress other people. And if you want to be seen as a Sigma man, then you need to master the skill of being humble. It's important to acknowledge your wins and celebrate your successes, but you overstep a line when you start to treat others differently if they haven't achieved the same things that you have. Nobody likes to feel inferior or belittled by someone who always boasts about themselves and only ever has to celebrate their own wins. A win is a win, no matter how big. A good friend. There are certain people in your life that you cannot choose to be in your life, but you can always choose a good friend. Some people will be in your life for a season, and some people will be in your life until it ends. A Sigma male knows that in order to leave a good impression in someone's mind, you have to master the skill of being a good friend. Now, being a good friend shows that you value that person and that you respect them, and in turn, they will value and respect you just as much. You get out of a relationship exactly what you put into that relationship. So it's important to always make sure that you are a good friend and a good person. So life is all about the people you surround yourself with. And if you're not a good friend, then you're not going to have a good friend for yourself. And if you master the skill of friendship, then those around you will lift you up and help you constantly strive to be the best version of you. Independent. Sigma males always have a high level of independence when it comes to their career and personal ambitions. Although it's nice to have help when you need it, there is a strong difference between needing help and depending on people because you are lazy. A Sigma male understands the difference between the two and will never accept being called lazy. Having a good level of independence about you prepares you for the worst possible scenarios, knowing that you can get yourself out of them. And if you heavily rely on other people to be successful or to get results out of the situation, then you will be left to feel disappointment on a regular basis. People change their minds and their feelings very often, so if you depend on them, you will be left without. Kindness. We are always told that if we can be anything in the world, then we should choose to be kind. You never ever know what personal battles someone is facing in silence. So it's important to always be kind to everyone that you come into contact with, because you could be the tipping point between them having a great day and having a really bad day. A Sigma male will go out of his way to show his kindness to all of those that he comes into contact with, because he understands the importance of being that friendly stranger and refuses to be the average Joe who takes his bad mood and bad attitude out on other people around him. Prince Charming. A lot of women will actively search for a Sigma male as a partner because, well, they are known for being a Prince Charming type of person. What we mean by Prince Charming is that they appear to be the perfect boyfriend that any woman would dream of having. And not because he is make-believe and a yes man, but because he understands what a woman wants and expects out of a relationship and gives her, well, all of that. Now, a lot of men think that women expect a little bit too much out of a relationship because it means they have to put effort into things to see results, whereas a Sigma male doesn't see this as effort, and things women really want in their relationships are already things they do on the daily anyway, well, as a bare minimum. A Sigma male knows that a happy wife equals a happy life. And in order to have a happy wife, you have to just gently master the skills to meet her needs and expectations. A great listener. I honestly can't describe to you how important it is to master the skill of being a great listener. When you actively listen to people when they talk to you and then become a more understanding and educated person all around, 9 times out of 10, a person will tell you exactly what is wrong in a situation and how the situation can be resolved whilst talking to you. All you have to do is simply listen to them and take those words on board. Now, a Sigma male uses this skill in every part of his life, from his family relationships and love interests to his career movements. It is because of this skill that everybody loves to be in the company of a Sigma male. Companies love to employ Sigma males, and women love to be in relationships with Sigma males too. Confident. If you want to be a Sigma male, then you have to be confident at the person you are. Can you look at yourself in the mirror and say that you like the reflection? If you don't, that's okay. But can you say there's areas that you need to improve on? Can you work on them? Having confidence does not mean that you believe you are above other people and everyone around you will love you. But having confidence means that you know that you will be okay if other people don't like you. A Sigma male knows his strengths and his weaknesses and understands that he is doing the best that he possibly can. Work ethic. A Sigma male will put 100% of effort into his career because he knows that hard work and good work ethic pays off. He doesn't take handouts or backroad promotions by being sly and unethical to see the results. He will put the work into his career and his success, and this will be his proof. If you want to be a Sigma male, then you need to take a look at your job and just give yourself a slight reality check. Are you in a career that you love? Are you using your skills to your best ability? Mastering the skill of working hard to see results will give you the edge that a lot of average Joes don't want to or don't have the guts to do. Sometimes you may have to go against the grain to be the odd one out in order to get the job done and stand by your ethics. But that's okay because you know you are doing what's right for you and your career goals. These skills are the difference between being seen as a Sigma male or an average Joe. So do you have what it takes to master these skills? If you can master the skill of listening, then you will be the ear to many different people throughout your life. One may be a life-changing person, and you never know unless you start. And if you master the skill of being a good lover, then your relationships will go from strength to strength, giving you an abundance of love and happiness throughout your life. Because who doesn't want to spend their lives happy, right? And if you can think of any other skills that you think once mastered will make you a Sigma male, then please do drop us a comment below in the comment box so that we can add those skills to our list. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming content. See you soon.